Right now, we are joined by Oilong Maui. Hello.
I'm back again.
You are back again. Another star turn here on Digital Trends Live. So we on Friday, what was it? Last time you were on here was last Wednesday, talking about Black Friday deals. And now we're on to Cyber Monday.
Yes.
So you are part of the affiliate team here at Digital Trends who works tirelessly to find these good deals. And that's part of what we were talking about here with Cyber Monday. I mean, there are so many good deals. It's so hard to find the best ones, and that's what Digital Trends does. We have the best deals. We find them for you. We make it easy to search them. Just go to digitaltrends.com/deals. That'd be probably the best page. And Oilong's going to kind of walk through some of the deals that you've found so far.
Well, it was more of a collective effort. I didn't find all of these myself.
You're not going to take credit for every?
No.
Okay, all right.
Huge team effort.
Well, let's walk through some of these here.
Yes,
and take a look. So there are so many different ones to talk about. Which one would you like to go to first?
Are we talking about like our product reveals, or are we talking about the page right now?
Oh, let's talk. Okay, we can talk about the page. Let's go ahead and pull up the page and take a look there. Okay, so we're taking a look at the page.
Yes.
And again, all this is happening live, so these are getting updated constantly. Here's a look just at, and this is digitaltrends.com/deals. We'll essentially take
Slash
you to this.
DT deals.
Slash DT deals.
That's like kind of the main hub.
Okay.
So the way the page is laid out is up top we have some of like our hottest deals. So those are like multiple retailers. So like right here you can see we have Samsung, HP, Amazon. Today, the stuff you want to really concentrate on if you're looking to buy electronics is definitely going to be laptops.
Laptops.
Yeah,
Okay.
and then aside from that, like clothing is your best bet for other stuff. If you were trying to buy a TV, Friday was the day to buy it.
Okay.
Not to say there aren't any other deals. As you can see, this really cool Samsung TV. It looks like a frame, and if you do a little product research on it, they like to show a lot of paintings on it because it looks like a frame.
That thing looks
it's super
awesome.
thin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's $800 off right now.
For the 65-inch.
Yeah, that's
the other
pretty good.
models are also on sale too if you needed something smaller.
Okay. So those are just some of the deals on there. I mean, it's just pages and pages of deals that are there on the website. It's really, really fun to like scroll through them and then think about, okay, I can't buy all of it, but I'm going to pick out some of them that I'm going to buy. So let us know here in the comments too if there's anything that you want to buy from this. All right, let's talk about some of the deals that you and the team picked out. Should we start with maybe the shoes?
Yeah, let's start with that.
Okay. The Adidas Falcon.
Yeah, so I mean, right now, today, the whole site at Adidas is on sale for 30% off if you use a code Cyber2018 at your checkout.
Ooh.
What I picked were the Adidas Falcon. I tried on a pair like a couple months ago. I really like them. They're really comfortable. They got that like chunky look. They were just a little too big for me. But right now, you can get them for 30% off. So like those are about $120, but with the code, you get them for $84.
That's a really good deal then. Yeah, so 30% off. The code is Cyber 2018, Cyber 2018. If you go to Adidas, does that account for everything?
Yeah, it's site-wide.
Okay, and again, we have some of those deals too that you can find at digitaltrends.com/DT deals. That's the best site. Okay, DT deals, and to go there and take a look at that too, because you can get the links directly to some of the products and especially these really good deals. But Cyber 2018, 30% off site-wide.
Yep.
That's pretty awesome.
It is. What's also awesome is a lot of people are getting the Apple Watch Series 3 right now too.
Yeah, because the Series 4 just came out, but that means the Series 3, probably a better deal right now, especially if you're in the market to hop into a smartwatch. Do you wear smartwatches?
I actually have one. I don't wear it that often.
Yeah.
As I should. It's the charging part that gets me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I forget to charge everything.
But not everybody has that issue like I do. But you can get it for anywhere from like $280 to $320, kind of just depending on what retailer you go to and if they're still available. If you want to get it on Apple, you can. Like if you're a huge Apple head and you know you're going to buy something again sometime soon, if you buy it there, they'll give you a $50 gift card. Okay. So there's no discount on the watch itself, but you will get some credit towards a future purchase.
Okay, well that's still cool. I mean, that just means that you're going to get something else great, down the line. So that's the Apple Watch Series 3 that we have. So the Apple Watch Series 3. And again, I've still been debating to get into the smartwatch territory. So it's something that I've been thinking about. Maybe this is actually the time to do it. If I can get it for a deal, you don't want to buy the brand new one. You want to actually get something for a better deal and try it out for a little bit first.
Exactly. And if you head to our site, we'll show you the different retailers you can get them at. I don't want to say any prices right now because they've been jumping all over the place.
Yeah.
So the best way to find out is just come to our site and see what's available.
So check that out. That's Digital Trends. Again, digitaltrends.com/DT deals. So I just want to hammer that home. I want to make sure people know to go to that website because that's where you're going to find a lot of these. All right, moving on with some of our different deals here. We have, should we talk about this, the vacuum?
Yeah.
Okay.
So iLife is a pretty big robot vacuum brand, and right now they have A4S smart cleaning robot at Walmart. Original is $299, so about $300, and you can get it for $158 right now. It's pretty cool because you can schedule.
Italian, according to this video.
Yeah. You can schedule like cleaning, and like it'll do its little route, and then go back to home base to charge itself. It gets to know like your floor layout and all that. And there's different modes of like cleaning on this. As you can see, it can clean up a little bit of like wetness.
Yeah, that's okay. That's pretty great. And this is definitely something that I probably need to be picking up. I've been thinking about getting one, some kind of like a Roomba style, like a robot vacuum for a while. But that looks like a pretty good deal. You have one, don't you?
I do. I have a different brand and model, but it's pretty cool.
But you like it? Mm-hmm. Yeah, it actually works.
Fun tip too, this is a $158 on Walmart, but I also just found it for $140 on Amazon.
What?
So that's a whole $18 cheaper. If you feel so inclined to get it there, you can.
Are the deals going to be changing constantly throughout the day?
Yeah, like we're going through like the page often to update it with new stuff, but also see if anything has sold out or the price has changed, which like I found a few this morning that we had to attend to, so.
Wow.
Yeah.
So if the prices are changing, so you guys are updating this constantly as we go through. When's the best time to buy? I mean, that's
Yeah.
That's hard because I mean, I always have the thing where it's like, you know, you want to buy too soon or too late, then it's like, am I going to get a deal?
I would say like if you see it on our site right now, that's because we vetted the price. There's some products too where there's multiple retailers available, and that's because we've seen them both available there. So if you see it on our page, now's a pretty good time to like bite the bullet.
So that would be okay, so that's the time to get it. It's right there. All right. So yeah, buy it now. That's what you're saying.
Exactly.
Buy it now. All right. Let's see, and we have something else here too that we've got here on the table that we're going to take a look at. Let's go ahead and pull it up. So it is, this is something, the actual product that we have.
You can see it. This is, brand is called Current, and this is the Catch 3 wireless charging accessory tray. I found out about this like maybe 2 months ago-ish, and like I'm obsessed. This thing, it's beautiful, and like it works really well too. So as you can see, it's a wireless charging tray, so I'm gonna whip it out the box.
Nice.
Do a little
actual unboxing right here as we're taking a look at it.
Yeah.
I actually don't have a wireless charging anything right now, so this is something that I would definitely be interested in. And again, this brand is Current.
Yeah, and also I should mention right now they're having 15% off their site as well for everything. They only have like 2 products, but this is the one that you want. So it comes with like a little like, I don't know, some instructions and stuff.
Right,
but we don't need this.
It's just fancy instruction booklet. I know.
Put that away.
Right, instruction booklets are,
Yeah.
it's still funny that instruction booklets even still come with a lot of these products. Because you think like,
This is,
I mean,
I'm terrible at unboxing.
Does anybody even read the instruction
oh my
booklets
God. How do
anymore?
you do this, Greg? Are you an expert in this? Because I'm
sure.
not. However, finally I got this thing out.
You did
All
it.
right, so this is what it looks like. As you can see, this is like leather, and then if you flip it on the back, it looks pretty cool. It looks kind of like an iPad back.
Yeah.
You know? Ooh, I'm just putting my fingerprints all over this. So this part here is the charging part. So you'd put your phone like right here and it would charge. And then this is your catch-all.
Okay, so for any other products or?
Like whatever you want. Like if you put this by your door, you know, you put your phone here, like you put your keys, put your wallet, whatever.
So this would be something, you could just set on the door right by.
So it's not, that's what I really like about it is it's super functional and like it works really well.
Yeah,
and
it does something more than just charging.
And then right below it, it gives you like right here's the port and the charging line.
Okay, so, and you've used one of these, or yeah. So you like it though.
I do.
Okay. So
not an ad. Hashtag not an ad.
No.
I'm just sharing.
Just you're talking about your actual experience.
Yeah. So it comes in like black and white. It's not that heavy. It's pretty durable and like it's just beautiful and it works really great. So 15% off.
15% off.
With code Cyber Monday, I think. Could you double check?
I will double check that, and we will make sure as we're checking all of these deals when they come through. It is, Cyber Monday. Cyber Monday is the deal, so $149 is what it works out to be. You can get that deal as well. So that's, again, all these deals are at digitaltrends.com/DT deals. So that is where you can check all of these out.